Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amapenzo to TV. It's the African Cup of Nations. Bafana 3, Zimbabwe 2. I'm joined by the best analyst.
Tanko mfethu. I am Mkidlana lokhulumayo, the best analyst bafethu on the show. Ngiyabonga mfethu. Not even on the show alone in South Africa. Ngiyabonga mfethu. Stibo. This game was very important for South Africa, to be honest. This is the game that could have decided our fate as South Africans. Are we coming back home or is it, you know? And also it's a game that was about to tell us are we making progress as South Africans as far as continental football and the national team. Because we've been saying that South African football illegate is one of the best in Africa, and how do you prove that you're one of the best in Africa? By participating in continental competitions as far as the AFCON. And being able to go far in such competitions, because you can't call yourself the best without playing against the best. Wow. So it has those kind of stakes. Yeah. And we're facing people, Abafana Zimbabwe, whereby Zimbabwe, they are our close rivals. Zimbabwe is Pila now. Sure. You know, Zimbabwe is another province like South Africa. It's Pila song. So they know South African football. The way we play football in South Africa, it's the way it's played in Zimbabwe. They understand the culture. They know very well ukuthi thina sithanda ukulibamba ibhola. You know, Lunga understands the style esidlalwa eTlorkop, understand the style esidlalwa eOrlando, understand the style esidlalwa kwi-PSL. Even no goalkeeper wabo understands the PSL football very well. So they knew what we are coming up. So in that way, they were very prepared, very much prepared. We were prepared kahle for thina, and it gave me very interesting. What I liked about this game, Mbuli, you know what he did, because last time complaining, he's not akaphakamise isandla. Sure. You know, we need Mbuli to bring a game back. Yeah. And in this game, we let a game Mbuli, and I appreciate that a lot because it's something esiting So we need to give him his flowers. So I feel kule game lena wenze kahle, even no Frosler. First like game lena usiphefumile kahle. Frosler uskorera amagoli crucial, uskorera igoli crucial Foster. Ngimthanda kabi Foster yazi. Yeah. Foster guys. Ngiyazi ngizofuna ukungicorrect. Frosler. Ngiyazibiza ngoFrosler.
Zigmele.
Yeah, Foster. Bagmele bazathanda kabi ukungicorrect. So Foster udlale kahle, and into engiappreciate more about uFoster, Mbuli, uApolisi. Sure. Murem. Sure. Is that labantu laba they were very key in creating amagoli wethu and converting amagoli. Ifront 3 yethu namhlanje ikorile boy 3. Yeah. Umrem ukorile. Yeah. uFoster ukorile. Yeah. uApolisi ukorile. Sure. Which is something you need in a tournament on the front 3 because lawo kufana ama striker wethu. And mabakorile boy 3 it means ukuthi kune progress siya phambili. So it means mokune connection even na ku middle field amesidlala kahle. So I feel ukuthi bakwazile ukusiplanela sikwazile ukuplana kahle for le game lena and sa execute iplan accordingly yabo. And then esizongena kwindaba ezibhlungu yazi ukuthi azingeke zibe mnandi zonke. If a school ekorile bafana ikore nge7 minutes ingenile game 19 minutes later ila iqalile game yakore Zimbabwe. The difference is 12 minutes. So it means ukuthi msiqeda ukora and then 12 minutes later siya consider it's a problem Thibo. Yeah. Angeke ungakwazi uqeda i-first half without conceding after scoring. It means kunenkinga esibanayo masiqeda ukuthola igoal. Sure. And then we go further, we push it ukuthi okay sathola elinye igoal. I can't remember the exact time, but the other goal elikore Zimbabwe lize 25 minutes later siqeda ukora the second goal yethu. And then sathola i-penalty le considering ngayo i-game ukuthi sikwazi win i-game. La penalty between i-penalty ne-goal elikore Zimbabwe it's 7 minutes. Which it was 7 minutes earlier. Score 7 minutes earlier, score 7 minutes later. So it tells you there's a pattern every time must to consider or must to score. There's always something yenzakala. And yenzakala within the space of 30 minutes. Shoot masiqeda ukuthola igoal asikwazi ukuspenda 30 minutes without major changing impact eyenzakala egamini. Kusho ukuthi ibafana mangakora kuqala. It's very rare ukuthi ngathola ingaceda 30 minutes or 45 minutes ingaconsideranga. There's a high chance ukuthi mayiceda ukora bafana concede, which is something mele ucoach Hugo Bruce ayibheke lonto le ukuthi why every game sikora. Even our previous game masidlala ne Angola. Egypt asange score. Scoreiwe. Masidlala ne Angola. It's still the same pattern. Ngithola ukuthi siyakora sakoriwe. Uyabona lonto le. So loma pattern lawo mele sikwazi kwa breaker. Those are the patterns ezingekho right in our game. But overall thina senza izinto eziningi ezi right. Even our defense may right namhlanje. It was just ibet lakho ukuthi uMudiba ayenze la mistake. But for me angiyazi ukuthi nizongizonda lento engishoyo. I saw it coming. I knew ukuthi masiqeda ukora there is gonna be a goal. I said it ukuthi we must score 3 goals because na kanjani i2 goals izoyikora iZimbabwe. Why did I say so? Exactly lento engishoyo because there is a pattern eyenzakalayo. In the past games we've been playing 4-5 games that we've been playing. Every game that we played we conceded. It's a problem.
Big problem.
It's a problem.
Big problem.
And noma siconsider kanje siconsider siqeda ukora. Yawo? Or bayascora most of as much as siwina, yes kumnandi ukuwina, but kunama pattern okumele sizama kwa avoid. Yabona? But I'm happy overall performance amajita because wonke umuntu udlale kahle, especially noNgezana. uNgezana is one of the players that nami ngikhulumile ngaye ukuthi no I'm not happy the way aqale ngakhona, especially first game yakhe. First game yakamngezana mingekho mnandi. Ngithola he was not good in the first game yakhe. Mikazilahlela kuma tackle, but he was very clean namhlanje. He was very clean. Even noMtawu, we talked about the discipline. Ngithola we mentioned effective discipline kuMtawu last time sikhuluma ngaye ukuthi mela be discipline. He was very disciplined today. Meka clean yonke into yakho ishaye kahle, uyabo. Unfortunately TLP he was the one today abampetulile. Ah shame.
There is your
So ayenzakala, it's football yabo. Into so but made stay kancane ibhola la yenzakala. I mean last game yakhe udlale noMosala, misile kuMosala last game. Ukuthi uMosala bamenzeni nguTLP. So naye namhlanje mukilanga lakhe. So it happens in football ukuthi amalanga so ayenzakala, but naye ngisho ukuthi into so one hinder I confidence yakhe. He's a very confident player and udlalile naye udlale kamnandi. Overall I feel ukuthi le game lena Thibo was one of the games is added a lot kubafana because this game lena it's not that we just won it. Sikwazile ukuba ne draw, sikwazile ukora kuqala. We got almost every result in one game. Sibene draw. Kwaba nalani ngathi siyadliwa khona and then manje sayiwin at the end. And it's something esidingayo going forward ukuthi siwine I-tournament. You need mentality ethi we must fight. The fighting mentality, the fighting spirit for us to come back over and over again. Sisithole nala penalty eswinisa because we were fighting over and over again. And into kumele sikhere because if wonke ama game wakho ku group stage ucruiser ngawo udlala kahle, you might undermine the next match with 16, which is a knockout match. Group stage uyakwazi ukubuya udliwe first game, second game uwine, third game uwine uphumelele, but ku last 16 wayenza ama flops akhipha. Lento ngikhuluma ngathi highlight those things silungise zona ngisho sudlula ku round of 16 masingalungisa nje lezo zinto lezo ezincane so ba sharp. Ngiyabonga Sithiwe.
Thank you Jaya.